Day 5. Just cleaned out the stall. That's how much in shavings were taken out. And replenishing. Again, the attendant has said that he thinks that the 2 bags is good enough because it's extremely easy to pick out the manure without taking too much of the shavings. He thought that that was a good benefit. It slips through the rake pretty easily and it holds up very well. Again, these are we're adding 3 to 3.5 cubic foot bags to replenish the stall, equivalent to 1 standard bag of shavings on a daily basis. Looks great. Again, as he sweeps it, you can smell the aroma of the tree oils coming off of the product. Just got Aggie back in. Afternoon feed. Came in, just stomped a little bit. This is 5 days in. Overall, not much difference from the first day, to be honest with you. On the outskirts, all the way around, the bedding holds up. It doesn't sag in the middle. Really doesn't require more than two bags to replenish the stuff.